Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order budget gadgets on Temu for Black Friday. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find or get cheap gadgets on Temu for Black Friday, what you need to do is first head over and open up your application or Temu application. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the Black Friday sale on the top of your screen. Then once you tap on that, you will be prompted to a bunch of products which have Black Friday sales and which have Black Friday specific coupon codes as well. For example, some Reddit users report using certain code for 40% off during the November 2025 Black Friday event. Check the external coupon platforms or forums for high valid codes and use Temu's in-app coupon wallet or coupon center to combine the site-wide or category-specific coupons with your order. You can also use cashback platforms like Rakuten when shopping on Temu to get extra savings, and be careful, some users report that requesting price adjustments on Temu can void previously earned cashbacks. Now what you need to do next is target flash sales and lightning deals, which will be available right here. During Black Friday, Temu often runs time-limited flash deals with very low prices on gadgets. Know when the deals typically drop and know your app or open notifications on so you don't miss them. You can also use Temu's adjustment feature, which Temu allows you to request a price adjustment within 30 days if the price of an item drops. To do it, simply head over to your app and then go to your orders on the bottom of your screen. Then find the order with the gadget you bought. Then simply tap on the request price adjustment if eligible. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.